before they can save homes, before they can restore property and lives. It all begins here at the world-class PuroClean Academy. There are only 17 training facilities this advanced throughout North America. And even within that esteemed group, our PuroClean facility still ranks among the best. Here is where focused classroom time and hands-on drills work together to transform franchise owners and employees into elite restoration professionals.
How are you? I'm Todd with PuroClean.
This facility makes PuroClean different than the competition. It is state of the science. It is the newest, most well-planned out facility that's available today. The insurance industry is always looking for new approaches to old questions. That's where we are today.
There's a smoke and soot simulator, a contents cleaning room, and our biggest technological breakthrough yet that we proudly present to you today. Welcome to the Applied Structural Drying ASD Demonstration Facility, or what we affectionately call our flood house. PuroClean has invested tremendous resources to bring our state-of-the-science training facility to life. Its design emulates conditions found in any residence in North America.
This flood house is one aspect of our new PuroClean Academy. No flood house stands beside this one. This is truly unique. This is realism to the nth degree.
This is interactive hands-on learning at its finest. We're talking powerful, highly realistic flooding simulations that deliver a training experience like no other in our industry. Before we step inside our flood house, let's take a look at the roomy crawl space outside.
We've mentioned several unique features of the PuroClean ASD house, but none is more unique than our crawl space area. Typically, a crawl space is about 18 inches high. That would be very realistic, but not conducive to training or to students' learning. Our crawl space is a full 5 feet to the bottom of the subfloor, allowing students to come into the area and they can study what happens as water comes through a structure. We have floor drains to handle the water that does come through the structure, and much of it will end up down in the crawl space area.
By featuring both dirt and sand scenarios, students see how differently each reacts to water and the best drying methods to use. Inside the house, students are challenged by a variety of subfloors and floor coverings. From plywood and concrete foundations to carpeting, hardwood, tile, and vinyl, students learn how to handle each cleaning and drying situation.
In this business, technology changes, but as long as we continuously educate and keep the information flowing and bringing them back for additional training, you're job ready when you go back home to your market.
You sure can't see through drywall in the real world, but you can here. There's no better way to understand effective wall drying concepts than to see it in real time. Same goes for attics. Our transparent view really shows students how to work in these hard-to-get areas.
They see the structure, they can make plans on how they would have to deal with this type of situation, avoiding the ducting, avoiding the conduit and wires that may be present as they would do water restoration, perhaps even fire cleanup or mold restoration inside of this type of area.
In addition to its main training function, the flood house also serves as a valuable research and testing lab for the company. We've installed 21 remote monitors right into the flood house frame. These monitors transmit data to any authorized computer worldwide. The feedback we get is far better than even the best handheld meter. Are you wondering where all that water goes after each flood simulation is over?
We designed and built a moat completely around our house, surrounding it, so anything that should escape because of unexpected situations will be captured by this moat and carried away. It's a key feature protecting the rest of the structure from any type of potential damage.
In addition to the flood house, our training facility also includes a smoke simulator.
This is a specially designed, built-to-code room with its own ventilation and exhaust systems for health and safety purposes, designed to allow students to experience a real smoke soot situation here during training.
The kitchen includes cabinets, appliances, and its own ventilation equipment. Students are tested with different wall coverings like paneling and painted drywall. Our separate contents cleaning room demonstrates the once-around process, how to best clean contents in the shortest time.
We bring the contents from our smoke damage room or other situation to our content cleaning facility, which has commercial sinks, commercial dishwasher, ultrasonic machine, and other professional equipment that allows us to clean contents both efficiently and effectively as quickly as possible.
When it comes to restoring property damaged by water, smoke, or fire, no one does it better than PuroClean. We're rated highest in customer satisfaction. trusted by insurance professionals and property owners nationwide. And elite training technology is how we continue to excel. We invite you to the PuroClean Applied Structural Drying Demonstration Facility. Come and step into the PuroClean ASD and experience the next generation of restoration training for yourself.